Welcome to Get Your FRQ On. This is the second video in the Conquer the AP Calculus AB exam series, a series of videos designed to help AP Calculus students prepare for and ultimately conquer the AP Calculus exam. This video focuses on what students can do to prepare themselves for the AP Calculus exam other than just learning the calculus. Let's get started. A well-rested mind performs better. Aim for a good night's sleep before the exam. Fuel your brain with a nutritious breakfast to stay focused and energized. Give yourself plenty of time to get to the testing location, find your seat, and get settled. Make sure you have the right materials, including your calculator, and make sure your calculator is charged, and make sure you know how to use it. Bring pencils and erasers, and bring your AP student pack, which may include any snacks or any other materials that you may be allowed to have. For the multiple choice questions, don't spend too much time on any one question. If you're stuck, make an educated guess and move on. Come back to it if you have time later. For the free response questions, read each question carefully and plan your approach before you start writing. Show all your work, even if you use your calculator. Partial credit is often awarded for showing the correct steps. In the free response section, clearly and legibly show all the steps you took to reach your answer. This is crucial for earning partial credit, even if your final answer is incorrect. When asked to justify or explain, provide a clear and concise mathematical argument. It is not required that you state the theorems or definitions you are using, but you must adequately verify the hypotheses of a theorem before using it. If you encounter a difficult question, take a deep breath and try to break it down into smaller, more manageable parts. Remember, it's okay if you don't know how to do every single question. If you have time, review your answers, especially in the free response section. Make sure you haven't made any careless errors. Believe in yourself and your preparation. A positive attitude can go a long way in helping you perform your best. The AP Calculus AB exam is a significant challenge, but with focused preparation and a positive mindset, you can succeed. Remember to start early. Study consistently. Make sure you understand the core concepts. Practice extensively with both multiple choice and free response questions. Know how to use your calculator quickly and effectively. Manage your time wisely on the day of the exam. Believe in your abilities. You probably wouldn't be here if you weren't capable. Trust your learning. You've put in the hard work throughout the year. Now it's time to show what you know. Good luck, and go conquer that exam.